Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Ali Sharma here, and welcome to my little man cave. Today in this video I'm going to answer a question that people often ask me, and that is, hey Ali Sharma, what is the best vlogging camera? And my answer is, hey, you carry one all the time in your pockets. Yes, I'm talking about these amazing good cameras in our smartphones that we carry all the time with us, the cameras in these smartphones that we can use for vlogging, and we don't actually realize that we are carrying one of the best vlogging cameras all the time with us in our pockets. But in order to vlog better with your smartphone cameras, in order to shoot smooth, professional looking videos, you will need a dedicated, stabilized gimbal for your smartphone. And that is what I have right here today. In this video, FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket is a 3-axis handheld stabilized gimbal, and pocket means it folds into a smaller size that you can carry it in your pockets anywhere, everywhere. With this FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket 3-axis handheld stabilized gimbal, you can shoot smooth, professional looking videos, you can take pictures, you can take panoramas, and you can track your face and other moving objects with your smartphone using the Vlog Pocket, resulting in better vlogging right from your phone. So this is the FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket foldable smart gimbal. This is a 3-axis handheld stabilized gimbal, and as you can see, when it folds into a very small size. Now the key features are it's foldable, it's pocketable, it can operate in portrait and landscape mode, it has object tracking and a face tracking, and it also can control a smartphone camera. The gimbal is available in 2 colors, Sakura pink for women and dark black for men. Of course, I got myself the dark black version. So inside the box you have FeiyuTech warranty card and a Vlog Pocket user manual. We have a pouch. Look at the small size of the pouch, so you can easily carry your FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket. Okay, of course we have the all new Vlog Pocket right here in its folding state, and let me move the box away. And you have a tripod, mini tripod. Of course, sometimes you want to vlog better by putting the gimbal and the smartphone operating on the table and tracking your face. While you move and talk, don't worry, the gimbal will track you. And of course, the last thing is the USB cable for you to charge the Vlog Pocket. FeiyuTech has come a long way, and they have made a name for making the smartphone and other gimbals. This is your Vlog Pocket in its folding state. To unfold, you have to loosen right here, okay, and unfold it all the way up. After that, the other parts are simply locked, so you can unlock this one. See, it locks here, so you cannot move this axis. You can unlock the pan axis, you can unlock the tilt axis and the roll axis. All right, so once all the axes are unlocked, you are ready to install your smartphone in it. Installing the smartphone is very easy. I was worried that because you have to install the smartphone in a way that it's completely centered and the gimbal is balanced, but there are buttons to operate. I mean, on-off button is right here. So I was worried I will keep it pressing all the time. Well, no, FeiyuTech actually has thought all about these things. Basically, when you install your phone, the button is not pressed. Now you can see the on-off button is right down there, but the button is not pressed. And my picture is nicely visible. Look at the Sheikh of Dubai, right? Well, the button is not pressed, otherwise the phone will turn off. You should know that. So don't worry about if you have a camera or on-off or volume buttons there. Phone holder will not press any buttons. So this is a nice consideration right here. So now you can basically see and balance the gimbal. As you can see, the phone is actually falling at one side. That means you need balancing. So make sure once you're installing the phone in the gimbal, try to balance your phone as much as possible. Okay, as close as to center of gravity. That is a key to operate any camera gimbal or any smartphone gimbal. Once your smartphone is installed, then you can press and hold the power button, and the gimbal turns on and starts stabilizing. Okay, so all axes are stabilized. There's a trigger button back here right under your index finger. So now you can see that the tilt angle is basically locked. When I move the gimbal, the phone tilt angle is not changing, it's not following. So by pressing and holding the trigger button at the back side, you can make your phone camera follow the tilt axis as well. Okay, and all the other axes are being followed. So basically, this is like a chicken head, really. Check this out. I mean, the phone is really nicely stabilized. And basically, if you feel the gimbal is not centered, you have to double click your trigger button. Okay, and the gimbal will center itself or reset its position. To shoot the pictures and videos, you have a shutter button right here. By pressing it one time, it will take a snapshot, and by pressing and holding, you can stop recording the video. Now, it does stand on the surface, or any surface, but hey, it will fall very easily. That's where tripod is provided, okay? And you can easily add the tripod, and now you can sit in front of the camera and vlog by activating the tracking feature or face tracking feature. So no matter where you move, the gimbal will actually keep the camera focused on your face. You can shoot the video in landscape or portrait mode as per your choice, and you can quickly switch between these modes by double clicking the mode button. So now you can see now it's in portrait mode, okay, and it's still stabilized, all right? It's still very stabilized, very smooth, and you can switch back to landscape mode anytime. So basically, operating the gimbal is really nice and easy, very nice and easy. And using the supplied app, you can use many features of auto panorama, beauty filters to make yourself look more beautiful. Of course, other features of gimbal like tracking, face tracking, or object tracking. So this is the FeiyuTech app for the gimbal. All right, right now you don't see anything because the camera is on the front side. Now I have switched to this side, but again, if I do this way, you won't be able to see the icons. So I will switch to the rear camera on my phone, and with the white wall you can see all the icons right here. The first icon here is to switch between photo and video modes. In video mode or in picture mode, the icon right below this icon is to select different shooting modes. So if I click here, I have got myself dolly zoom, track time lapse, static time lapse, light rail video, slow motion, and normal video. So these are different video modes that I can shoot. Then under here has shutter, which you can of course use your gimbal button as well. No need to just click here. Then you can switch to front or rear cameras very easily, okay? And down here you have more settings, okay? So you can choose the timers for your photo. You can turn on the beauty filter, okay? You can turn on off the flash, turn on the auxiliary lines, those are grid lines. You can turn on and off HDR, and you can use photo filters, or you can go to more settings where you have professional mode. Professional mode, you can choose various other options you will see very soon. You have watermark, which you can turn on or off. Right here I will just turn off. Panorama, save original image, audio input mode, picture resolution, video resolution, panoramic picture quality, and picture path. Now that we are in professional mode, you can see other options: auto white balance that you can choose, exposure value that you can choose, and the zoom level. So this is my hand, okay, and you can basically see you can actually zoom. So you can zoom in and zoom out. Alright, after that you can access the gallery. Okay, gallery will show you what you have shot. I didn't shoot anything so far, so there's nothing. Then at the right side down here you have the device discovery and a remote control. Yes, with the Bluetooth you can easily turn on the remote control. You can install another phone on the gimbal and control the gimbal from distance using the remote control on your phone, which is connected to the gimbal by Bluetooth. And of course you have the object tracking. So I will take a small object, okay, right here. I hope it can actually track it, and I will draw a square around it, okay? And now if I move the object, you can see the gimbal is actually tracking and moving itself all right, to keep the object in the center. Let me zoom out more so you can see how effectively the gimbal is moving and tracking the object that I have just clicked or draw a square around for tracking. And then the gimbal will keep tracking the object. So what I'm gonna do is turn off the tracking, switch the camera to the front side. Okay, now I will just focus a little bit right here and go to the tracking, and you can see the face is already there. All right, all I need to do is click and it will start tracking now. Okay, see, it's keeping me it's kind of scary to see what is happening. So you can see how effectively it's actually tracking my face. Yeah, sometimes the camera gets darker, but still it is tracking. Oh, I was tired standing, right, like bending and standing. So yes, this is nice. You can see wherever I go, wherever my face goes, the camera is actually keeping me in the center. Now, this is the feature that is really needed for effective vlogging, because gimbal is gonna keep your beautiful face in the center of the shot, and that is what you need for good vlogging. So this was the tracking feature, which actually works very, very well for you to track items. And now if you want to center the gimbal, just double click it, double click the trigger, and the gimbal is centered. And when you want to carry it in your pocket, simply lock all the access, okay? Release the folding lock from here, and you can fold the gimbal all the way down and carry it in your pocket easily. Right here I have the FeiyuTech Gimbal Pouch, and I can put the gimbal inside the pouch, and you can see now you can carry your favorite gimbal vlog pocket for effective vlogging anywhere, everywhere. Alright, this is it for the indoor unboxing and a complete introduction, including the indoor demo of how the gimbal works. This is enough for a detailed indoor unboxing and a demonstration of the FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket. Now, let me bring it out and shoot some vlogging demos so you can see how the FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket can really improve your vlogging experience and your vlogging quality. Assalamualaikum and greetings. Ali Shamal here. Demonstration 1 with the Feiyu Vlog Pocket gimbal in my hands. Look at that smooth movement. And yes, I'm riding my beloved dual torque. So, I do walk limping because I recently broke my foot, but you can see how smooth the video is. I can even go down the stairs, go up the stairs, and you won't even feel anything. The Vlog Pocket is definitely gonna improve the quality of vlogs right here. Now let me switch the camera to the front side. Here is a simple video of the RC airport. No one is around, only few people are playing. Sun just set, and I got a good video of that dolly zoom shot with the Vlog Pocket, riding my favorite beloved dual torque electric scooter. River water has gone down. Time to move to a different spot. Well, while riding, holding the Vlog Pocket in my hands, and of course riding my dual torque, let's see how smooth the video is. Oh, I'm getting darker. Why? Okay, right there. More darky. And this is the place mostly where we come in the evening with kids to enjoy some time out. I know they're somewhere. I gotta find them. I'm riding my beloved Duotorg, and you can see what I have done to my Duotorg. I mean, there are LED lights, front angelized lights, and of course the strobes. Those are, you can see down here at the side, those are the brightest xenon strobes, and of course front and rear there are strobes as well. So let's go and find out where the kids are at. Arish is riding R3S scooter, and we have a new scooter coming tomorrow or after tomorrow. I'm gonna show it to you. Don't see them? Let me call them and find out where they are. But once again, this is the area where we come in the evenings to play with the kids and, you know, just for relaxing. Alright, shooting the video. You see 2 computers on my desktop. Yes, I gotta prepare my laptop and get ready for trip to Pakistan, and I'm very, very happy for that. So now I'll make a simple panorama with the camera following my movement, not the camera, I mean the Vlog Pocket following my movement, so you can see everything in my room. Check this out, this beautiful cinematic shot of my Vertagear PL4500 Racing Edition gaming chair. It has been proving very, very comfortable. Okay, so you have seen my little room many times. Now let's go out and see what kiddos are doing. Hey, check out my gimbal. Anybody want to use my gimbal?
What's gimbal?
The gimbal to stabilize this phone. Look at the daily mess they create with their Lego and everything, and Baba Mama's mess, of course, with all the bags being packed.
I'm making Lego.
Alright, why are we packing the bags?
Because we go to Pakistan.
And what we are gonna do in Pakistan?
We don't Dunkin' Donuts.
Eat Dunkin' Donuts and
Play. And
Play
go
what?
to the park.
And go to the park and
Play board. Play chess.
and watch YouTube without restrictions. Yes, no VPN. Baba is so happy for that. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.